Hi, this is Daniel the Passive Cash Stacker. I'm going to teach you how to find a niche in affiliate marketing and how to find products for affiliate marketing in 30 seconds or less. Now, first of all, it is a very common misconception that you can only make affiliate money in specific niches, big niches, high traffic niches. You literally can make affiliate commissions in any niche you desire, anything you are passionate about. You think about what you want to make money in. You think about what the main root keyword is, and then you can jump in here and start finding the affiliate products that people are promoting, the affiliate ranking content that people are promoting with, and then you get out there and make money with your passion quickly and easily with almost unlimited content. First of all, if you saw this video on the first page of YouTube or Google ranked and you want to know how I did that, check my course below and I show you step by step everything I do in every video campaign so that I can get top rankings. Now let's dive into the content. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click plus to create a project. We're going to select the product keyword that we want. We're going to say select. We're going to put in our keyword here, put in the location that we want. We're going to say United States if we're not doing local searches, and we're going to get content. Once we have this, we are able to come over to the outbound URLs section, and we're able to see all of the URLs that are going outbound on the pages in the top 20 pages on Google. So these are the people who are talking about best surfboards. These are the people who are ranking for best surfboards, and then they are sending you somewhere else for the best surfboard. So these are going to be the top people who are making money on whatever niche that you are looking at, and you can actually see the specific products they are promoting that they are making money on. So you can go ahead and just look at all of the links that are outgoing, and if you like a specific link, you can go ahead and click it. And you can use that. If you want, you can go ahead and click this box here to go ahead and investigate all the links that are outgoing on these pages. Here we have Patagonia, and we have the surfing at Patagonia. This is also a Avant link. So you can actually find very quickly the top affiliate platforms, the top affiliate programs. And then as soon as you find the programs and the keywords that you want to promote, you can come back in here and you can actually find all of the ranking paragraphs that are ranking on the first page of Google. So you can actually take this content, find the one that you like, and you can go ahead and click it here and it'll put it inside the box. If you want to put all of this content over here and edit it, you can go ahead and the 9 boxes here and it will put all of this content that is ranking on the first page of Google. And then you can go ahead and take this content and put it inside the AI rewriter, and you can rewrite it up to 4 times for 1 credit, and it will make all of this content that you pulled from the first page of Google pass Copyscape. So this will be unique, readable content from the first page of Google. The way that Google likes it, it will be able to rank for the keyword term that you want to rank for, and you can go ahead and start promoting the products that everyone who's ranking on the first page of Google is ranking. So you can go ahead and promote the high ticket affiliate products that are making money for the people who already rank. So you don't have to recreate the wheel. Find out what's ranking on Google for the keyword you want to rank for, find out what they're promoting, sign up for that particular program, and get out there and rank for it. Whether you're ranking on Google, on YouTube, or other social platforms, you know what other people are already making money with very quickly. And not only will you find out what they are promoting with all of the outbound links that are on these top ranking pages, like right here we have Amazon, you will also have the ranking content to be able to create content for the first page of Google and never have to leave this program. We can also do related searches, and then we can go ahead and search for other things that are out there that are ranking. So maybe once that's also done, you can also get into the FAQ builder, put in your keyword, and find out all the questions and answers that are specifically targeting your keyword. And then you can also take that schema and put it on your page as well, so you can rank for content and rich snippets for your keywords and start selling more affiliate products today. If you'd like to go ahead and find out how to get 30 to 50% off of this program and get almost unlimited rollover credits, click the link below and check it out right now. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully this was informative on how to find a niche in affiliate marketing and how to find products for affiliate marketing. Make that money. I'll talk to you soon.